Have you ever thought about starting a dropshipping business on YouTube with no money? This might sound like a tall order, but it's a venture that's entirely possible and potentially lucrative. Welcome to the wonderful world of dropshipping, a low-risk business model that's shaking up the traditional rules of retail. In this model, you, as a seller, don't have to worry about stocking up on products. That's right, no inventory headaches to contend with. Instead, the magic of dropshipping lies in its simplicity. You find a product, list it on your platform, and only purchase it from a third-party supplier when a customer places an order. The supplier then ships the product directly to the customer. It's a streamlined process that eliminates the need for hefty startup capital and physical storage space. This model is flexible, scalable, and best of all, accessible. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a newbie looking to dip your toes in the e-commerce pond, dropshipping opens up a world of possibilities. Now, let's dive into how you can start a dropshipping business on YouTube without any money. The first step to start dropshipping with no money is conducting high-quality product research. Now, you might be wondering why product research is so important. Well, imagine setting up your dropshipping business, investing your time and energy, only to find out later that the product you chose isn't selling. This is a common pitfall many fall into. The solution? Investing time in quality product research. Identifying a profitable niche is like finding the sweet spot in a large market. It's about discovering a product or a category of products that are in demand, yet not so saturated that competition is overwhelming. This is where the real challenge lies. Product research isn't just about identifying what's hot and trendy, it's also about understanding market needs and gaps, consumer behavior, and market trends. It's about analyzing data, studying your competitors, and keeping your finger on the pulse of your chosen industry. To streamline this process, there are tools and platforms available that can guide you. One such tool is the AutoDS Winning Products Hub. This hub provides a curated list of winning items, products that are in demand with a proven track record of sales. It's like having a compass in the vast ocean of products available for dropshipping. But remember, while these tools can guide you, they can't make the decisions for you. It's important to use these tools as a starting point and then conduct your own research. Look at the product's performance over time, check customer reviews and ratings, and ensure it aligns with your brand and target audience. Ultimately, the product you choose to dropship becomes the face of your business. It's what attracts customers to your store, and it's what keeps them coming back for more. So the importance of choosing the right product cannot be overstated. Remember, the right product can make or break your dropshipping business. Once you've found your winning product, the next step is finding a trustworthy supplier. This is a make-or-break moment in your dropshipping journey. The reliability of your supplier can directly impact your reputation, customer satisfaction, and ultimately, your profits. So, how do you choose a trustworthy supplier? It starts with thorough research. Look for suppliers who have a proven track record of delivering quality products on time. Check their reviews and ratings, and don't hesitate to ask for references. Reach out to other sellers who have worked with them to get a first-hand account of their experience. But don't stop there. Contact the supplier directly. Ask about their manufacturing process, quality control measures, and delivery times. The more information you have, the better equipped you'll be to make an informed decision. Another crucial element to consider is communication. A reliable supplier is one that communicates effectively and promptly. Remember, this is a partnership. Open and transparent communication is key to navigating any potential challenges that may arise. Now let's talk about diversification. Just as you wouldn't put all your investments in one basket, you shouldn't rely solely on one supplier. Diversifying your suppliers can help mitigate risks and expand your product range. It can protect you if one supplier runs out of stock or if there are issues with delivery. Plus, having a broader product range can attract a wider audience, increasing your potential customer base. But remember, while diversification is beneficial, it's important to maintain high standards. Every supplier you work with should meet your criteria for reliability and quality. Choosing the right supplier might seem overwhelming at first, but with careful research and thoughtful consideration, you can establish a network of reliable suppliers who will support your dropshipping business's growth and success. Finding a reliable supplier is as crucial as finding the right product. So take your time, do your homework, and build a solid foundation for your dropshipping business. Now that you have your product and supplier, it's time to choose the right selling platform. This decision is a pivotal one, as it will shape the way you interact with your customers and ultimately how successful your dropshipping venture will be. On one hand, we have customizable websites like Shopify, Wix, and WooCommerce. These platforms offer you a great deal of control over the look and feel of your online storefront. You have the freedom to shape your brand exactly the way you want it, right down to the smallest details. This can be a powerful tool in crafting a unique shopping experience that sets you apart from your competitors. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Driving traffic to your website is entirely up to you, and it can be a challenging task, especially if you're new to the world of digital marketing. On the other hand, we have marketplaces like eBay and Amazon. These platforms come with a built-in audience, which can be a massive advantage when you're just starting out. You won't need to worry about attracting customers. They're already there, browsing and ready to buy. But there's a trade-off. These marketplaces limit your control over your brand, and they take a portion of your sales. Plus, you'll be competing directly with other sellers on the same platform, which can make it harder to stand out. The choice between a customizable website and a marketplace is not a one-size-fits-all decision. It depends on your specific needs and circumstances. If you're confident in your ability to drive traffic and you want a high level of control over your brand, a customizable website might be the way to go. If you prefer to tap into a ready-made audience and you're okay with giving up some control, a marketplace could be a better fit. Remember, your selling platform is more than just a place to list your products. It's an integral part of your brand and your business strategy. Choosing the right platform is crucial for the success of your dropshipping business. Now that we have covered the basics of dropshipping, let's discuss how to start a dropshipping business on YouTube. YouTube is not just a platform for entertainment and learning, it's also a powerful tool for business. As a dropshipper, you can leverage this platform to reach a wide audience and promote your products effectively. So how do you go about it? First off, content is king. Creating engaging content that resonates with your target market is key to promoting your products. This could be product reviews, unboxing videos, or even tutorials on how to use the product. Remember, the goal is not just to sell, but to provide value to your viewers. This way, they are more likely to trust your brand and consider purchasing your products. Next, make use of YouTube's built-in audience. With billions of users worldwide, YouTube's reach is immense. By optimizing your video content for search using relevant keywords, you can increase its visibility and attract more viewers. This is where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes into play. By understanding what your audience is searching for, you can tailor your content to meet their needs, driving more traffic to your channel and your product listings. Moreover, don't forget to include clear calls to action in your videos. Whether it's asking viewers to visit your online store, subscribe to your channel, or share your content, these prompts can significantly improve your engagement rates and sales. Finally, consider collaborating with influencers in your niche. This can help you tap into their follower base and further expand your reach. Plus, influencer endorsements can add credibility to your brand and products, encouraging more people to buy from you. Remember, starting a dropshipping business on YouTube doesn't require a hefty investment. What it does require, however, is a strategic approach, creativity, and a commitment to providing value to your audience. And that's how you can start a dropshipping business on YouTube with no money. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've unmasked the importance of conducting high-quality product research. Identifying a profitable niche is the cornerstone of a successful dropshipping business. This process is made easier with resources like the AutoDS Winning Products Hub, which provides a curated list of winning items. Next, we delved into the importance of choosing trustworthy suppliers. Diversifying your suppliers not only mitigates risks, but also expands your product range, setting the stage for your business growth. We also highlighted the critical role of selecting the right selling platform. From customizable websites like Shopify, Wix, and WooCommerce that offer you control over branding, to marketplaces like eBay and Amazon with built-in audiences. Each has its benefits and trade-offs. Lastly, we explored how you can leverage the power of YouTube for your dropshipping business. With a strategic approach, you can start dropshipping with no money and build a profitable business over time. With these steps, anyone can start a dropshipping business on YouTube with no money. So, what are you waiting for? Start your YouTube dropshipping journey today.